morning, guys, and welcome to a day in my life here at UCSB. So today I have 3 classes to go to that are pretty much all back to back except for my second and third class. I have a little break in between, and I am just getting ready to go to class. I had a super fun surf session this morning, which was awesome. I love to start my day off like that. Today's outfit are these black overalls that I absolutely love, and a t-shirt because it's finally sunny enough and warm enough where I won't freeze biking around campus, which is awesome. It means summer is almost here.
Picture all that. Picture all that. Picture all that. Picture all that. If you crash a car into your best friend's house, would you be quiet as words came out of their mouth? Stop, don't do it. I have been waiting for it. Stop, I knew it would come. If you find a God next to your girlfriend's bed, would it be hard to sort out your spinning head? Stop, don't say that dear, that you wanted him here. Stop, don't give him the clear. Take a picture of them. Take a picture of them. Take a picture of them. Take a picture of them.
I just finished my last class, which was in Embarcadero Hall in IB. So I am going to pick up some food here in IB before biking home. And I'm kind of feeling acai bowls, which is convenient because Kaj is literally right across the street. So I'm going to go back over there and order something yummy.
With honey on top?
Yes.
Did you want that for here, you guys?
To go.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna bike home. I'm not gonna vlog while I'm doing that because I will for sure crash my bike and I don't want to do that. So I will see you guys in a bit. I just got back home and I'm actually super amazed that my acai bowl lasted because in my bike basket things tend to bump around a lot. So I was kind of expecting it to open or something. Guess who's officially done with undergraduate classes ever? This person. Are you done, Sydney?
I'm done.
She's done too. We're all done. I forgot to mention that in my vlog that this was my last day of classes pretty much ever. Minor detail. Yeah. Kind of have the rest of the day to chill. So I'm gonna call back my boyfriend really fast because he called me during class. Let's see if he picks up. Hi, Michael.
Hi, Aaron.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, camera.
Well, I just got an email about picking up grad passes, so I am going to go back over to campus again and pick that up. And I even have a 20% off coupon for the bookstore, so I might even buy something. Hey guys, so I'm back on campus in the Historic Plaza UCenn area. As you can see, there's a tower. And I'm just walking over to the bookstore to go pick up my grad pass.
Grad Pass is your unique ticket to graduation. It is one of a kind, specifically for you. Okay? We'll
Thank
see
you
you
so
then.
much. Look what just came in the mail. I just got this massive package. Inside is an inflatable stand-up paddleboard, and I'm thinking that we should go test this out. But first, I'm curious to see what it even looks like, so I'm gonna unbox this really fast. This is so exciting. So, it happens to come in this really nifty carry-on case, it looks like. And then I've got a fin, a repair kit, a pump. That is crucial for an inflatable stand-up paddleboard. Last but certainly not least is the actual board itself. Hey Sydney, can you help me? I'm struggling. I'm thinking it wasn't a good idea to open it in the small tiny. What do you need help with? Okay.
It matches your bed.
It matches my everything.
Because that's important.
Thanks, Sydney.
Uh-huh.
The perks of having roommates, you can just call when you're in trouble. I have it all packed up in this bag, and now I'm gonna go grab my bathing suit and head over to the ocean. I just loaded up my SUP into the trunk, and I am heading over to pick up my friend Caitlin, and we are going to test out my new stand-up paddleboard over at Campus Point, I think. And I am really looking forward to this. It's a beautiful, beautiful afternoon, and I think we're gonna get a really pretty sunset. Welcome to Campus Point, called Campus Point because it is a point right on campus. But yeah, I'm in the bathroom, so I'm gonna go change and stop vlogging. Okay, time to set up my inflatable sup.
I want you by my side.
So, I've been pumping away at this for a little over 5 minutes now, and it seems to be taking some shape, which means that it's almost ready to go.
I hope they didn't get your mind. Your heart is too strong. Anyway, we need to fetch back.
I'm ready to get in the water and test out my new board.
And I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dancing on to the boogie all night long. Stoned in paradise, shouldn't talk about it. I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it.
We made it to Goleta Pier, and the sunset is showing through. It's really, really beautiful. And debating whether I should jump in. It's a little scary and illegal, and it's cold and sharky, and there's a lot of reasons why I don't want to do it. So we'll see. So there's that ladder, and then I think you have to just walk across on the wood thing to get up, right? Let's go scope it out. I'll go scope it.
By absence of you, suspense controlling my mind. I cannot find the way.
Hey, high five for sending it. That was sick.
Tyler, you deserve it.
Alright, there's my board. Guys, I'm so scared.
Come on, it's nothing.
They're gonna count us down.
It's nothing.
Okay.
Get in your car, leave, park, not come back.
We're so close. Literally 5 seconds away from jumping off here, but no, we got busted. So that was a failed mission. Kind of bummed. My heart's beating fast. I was ready. We were gonna jump. And I'm really glad we didn't get a ticket. Yeah, that's good. Anyway, we're gonna go back to Campus Point, I guess. Failed mission. Bye guys. Better luck next time. And I am back. That was a good workout. Also, it's pretty dark out already. It is time to go home and shower and get some dinner.
Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm back home, back in my very comfy bed. I didn't really feel much of anything when I got back from stand-up paddleboarding because all I did really was hop in the shower and eat a quick dinner and then just put my PJs on and brush my teeth, so I didn't really feel like filming that. But anyway, I had a really fun but long and exhausting day, so I'm so ready for bedtime. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Good night!